Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about the crypto market and what's going on with the main tokens: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Cardano. Let's dive in. All right, guys. So after the Jerome Powell speech, everybody, like usual, literally like usual, people hop in long position because he gave the sign. So probably in September they will start cut the rates, and basically it's good. It's positive news for the crypto market, but historically, the September is not the best month for volatility. That's why you can take a look at this one. Bitcoin historical volatility. It's since here it's on 13, and here we almost at the historical all-time low. The lowest was only, I guess, I don't know here, just at this area, like in 16, and maybe in some 15 and some 14. So also the last time that 0.86% volatile was when the BTC traded at 29K. What does it mean? It doesn't mean, the price should skyrocket to the moon up. No, it's just about volatile. So it's not the best time for some spot movements. It's the market like stagnate, in ranges. That's why most likely for the BTC, the best case scenario for us, it's let's go to the daily time frame. We sweep that low. So the most positive case, I guess, it's a drop to 110. You remember that charts what I shared with you around here. I mark it, we probably will drop to 113 and sweep the low. But based on Trump and the Putin meeting, they put the price to new all-time high. Everybody opened the longs again, and now we dump it. Based on trade on indicator, like you can see, we got buybacks. We bounced it on Jerome Powell's pitch, and now I wish to see one more leg down, to close this gap on the daily, consolidation in September, and this price movement to the main target. So for BTC, personally for me, target's absolutely relevant. It's 139 and take profit line. Now it's 148. Like you can see, guys, the line go like stable, not up only, right? So here was a higher price movement, not a price movement, it's not exactly the price, so it's take profit line. And I guess we can see something like this one, and it's hard to say by timing, but it can be, let's say, in October sweep and going down. So this is my personal take, guys, for BTC. Maybe we go even to the exit line. Nobody knows, guys. Exit line at this current moment is 167. Maybe it's a more positive case scenario. 3.61 level by 50 is 182. I don't think so. We're gonna touch 182. Everybody's screaming we're going to like 200K. Now 100K is not enough. It's not attractive. The influencer posted the video about 200K, 250K. 500K. So this is more attractive content. Nobody watch your videos if you say, "Oh, guys, I guess from this current prices, the last impulse up will be like 21% or 30% on the BTC," and that's it. And we finish the ride for BTC and go into the bear market, into the deep correction. And so now no makes sense to buy the BTC. Of course, it's not attractive, right? That's why I gotta. So small views on YouTube. Peace cycle, guys. Technically, this is a good indicator based on 111 in EMA and 300 at EMA multiply 2. But even with this chart here, it's showing us like the targets could be here 186. But take a look here in zone 24, we touched that line, and it's not necessary, so we should touch it again. Here we even go over that line in zone 21, so it's not like a standard right? So here we're going over, drop, touch, and now what do we have to do? Go over or touch or what? 186, basically, yes, it's 3.682. In this case, yes, it's possible if we move by a P cycle top indicator. Maybe. I think, yes, now it's not enough euphoria on the market. I think I already explained it. I don't want to talk now about geopolitics, about wars, about all of this stuff around the world. It's not a geopolitics channel. But you know my take and my theory about how this cycle will end and base it on what. And after that, I guess this winter we will see another pandemic and the lockdowns around the world. Of course, it's just conspiracy, guys, but it will be the top of the top for the altcoins because everything cross-lined, right? The gold, S&P 500, the geopolitics, the wars, the BTC now, because the crypto, it's a main and the most technology part of financial markets. So for BTC, absolutely everything relevant. Most positive case, guys, I repeat again, if we sweep that low around 100, test 110 and maybe 108, this sort of block on the daily. Weekly time frame, crazy scenario for the drops, guys, if we go and test above the 104K at this current moment, it's take profit about 104K 624. I don't think so. We're going to drop to 1.61, but if no makes sense to drop it now. 12 time frame also not looks so bullish. Also, I don't believe in that case scenario. Like everybody now start compare that Zone 21, Zone 25, like it's a double top and we go into zero. No, guys, no. Not to zero, but go into bear market. Last time here, sell it December 24. Buy back. Now we're gonna sell. I don't think so. It will took us like half year again. No, till end of November to push the price higher. No, I think the top of the top will be October, November. Maximum is January 26. Let's double check the direction, market mood, and money power, guys. Here's we need to be ready to prepare us to sell. So here, based on direction, on it's on a beat stump, by the way. Here, you should be ready to sell, one more pump and drop. Another, prepare to sell, RSI bearish divergence, sell and sell on the direction. So you need to combine all indicators, if you use it. And my take, by the way, for the bottom for BTC is around was around 45K, right? Now the buy line on the weekly, guys, on a beat stump, it's exactly 61 low by FIB, 52 through 366. Maybe it's going to be the next bottom for the cycle. Now market to overhype it. Based it on here, money power and no money inflow, nothing. So it's not a time to in BTC. So only the money outflow. So like you can see the whales fix it. November 24 fixation, RSI bearish divergence. May 25 fixation, and I guess the last fixation will be here at the top. So for BTC, nothing special, guys. Everything going by plan. I don't think so. It's the end of cycle. I mean, you have to be ready, for just boring, really boring September for BTC and the all markets. Ethereum sweep the high. So basically, technically, yes, we confirm. So we where that FIB here. So we sweep the all-time high. Last time when a BTC did it. Let's close this indicators. When a BTC here was a sweep, that candle sweep in March 2004, and after that we move date range from the sweep to break another high, 231 days. I don't think so. Of course, it will take Ethereum the same move like 231 day, this one, till the April 26 into correction. And after that, in May, we're gonna pump. No, I think will be totally another story, guys. But of course, it's just my take. Here, we trade way over exit line, and that rejection already we pass it because we get a lot of buyers here who absorb all dump, and now basically this idea invalidated with this target. Later we'll come back to 3K and 285, but my point for Ethereum is 6K 825, 9K 991. So this is a realistic top of the top for Ethereum. I don't think so we're going to 10K or even higher. So globally, yes, we can confirm we sweep the high, but it's just a tiny sweep. We not even liquidate the guys who opened the crazy shorts position. Daily time frame, guys, what we can see: sell, drop, test the take profit line above. So now nothing. So we just formed the gap, and this is a most positive scenario for Ethereum. If we slowly go in here, trade consolidation in September in this range, like, and go higher to the next target. I don't think so. We will see something like this one. I don't think so, but maybe it's possible because it was like in theory. Let's hide this trade on. It was in theory the downtrend line. You know, touch, we break. Technically, by all rules, you know, we have to drop and retest this line. So the 3K 800, 3K 800, 3K 659. Is it possible? Yes. 1K down, more than real to see. 20% down in September. Why not? Maybe we're gonna retest it. But anyway, guys, it's just a matter of time, I think, when we'll hit the new all-time high, the series one. But even if we hit, and when we hit, it's still only 400%, and most positive case it's 100%. So think about it. Is it okay to invest now in Ethereum, or time to buy was here at least at a test of the buy line? So guys, unfortunately, everything should be in time. In yesterday video, I showed you the pendle. The pendle pumped at 21,000% gains since 2022. We just choose the wrong tokens. But by the way, guys, liquidations now on the chart here. BTC weekly time frame, 117K main liquidation, but under here a lot of stop losses under 111. So this one, let's check the Ethereum, Binance Ethereum futures weekly time frame. So here's only this one on the 4K. Above is nothing. Kind of strange, but yes, above is nothing on Ethereum. Monthly time frame. Keep in mind, guys, we still got the September in play. Yes, the main liquidity can focus here on 3K 500 around here. We will see, but I'm more bullish for Ethereum, you know, because also the BTC dominance 58.25 would be good to see the bounce on BTC dominance when a BTC will go to a new all-time high. Some corrections on alts, and after that, the crazy rally for alts like October, November, maybe December, even the Santa rally, January. So that's the point. So two main points, what I shared with you before. So October, November, I guess totally will be bullish for alts, but it doesn't mean the alts will pump like 50x, 100x, and all of this absolutely nonsense stuff. No, it's like 5x possible, 6x possible, 7 also good. After that, would be good to see a correction in winter, and maybe some tokens will move the last impulse up in spring 2026, and we go to correction. Maybe the May will be the last cat bounce, you know, for the tokens. So locally for Ethereum, everything looks okay. the range like 4K 800 and test sweep all of these lows and liquidate the guys who open at longs too late. It will be also good point. Daily time frame trade on sell, drop. Now no buyback, no signal to sell again, nothing. Let's hide it locally. Highly recommend you guys track the main videos about all tokens. I just show you the updates, money markets, more money power, and here and direction. So here last time, prepare yourself to sell, fixation, 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 drop, fixation, fixation, drop, now fixation. So I repeat again, on the daily time frame would be good to see some price movement like this one, even this move by middle of September, for example, consolidation and go higher. Imagine the stress for everybody who will start compare the double top on BTC 2021, like May and November, with Ethereum chart. So it will be like here, BTC double top, previous cycle. But it's on a weekly time frame, but they will compare it with 2021 for BTC on a monthly. On a weekly time frame for Ethereum, yes, of course, this is not a time to in. Time to in was here in a gray zone on the market mode indicator. Now it's Ethereum, so soon we will see the blow off top. Money power, money in was in March. Now it's a fixation. Accumulation, money inflow, now it's a fixation, money outflow. Pretty simple, guys. Don't be trapped with all of this stuff like Ethereum to 20K or 50K and all of this stuff. Just be careful, guys. Of course, it's just my humble opinion. If you have a plan to hold the Ethereum till, I don't know, to 50K, you can hold it. Why not? It's your plan. But locally, I wish to see the retest. Now the 3,600 would be good. If not, if the BTC will go to correction, next step, But this is a range where most likely we need to fix that profit. If you believe in higher price targets, of course you can. For example, step by step fix. Like you fix here 30%. After that, you fix I don't know, maybe like 20%. And if we will see the correction, you fix the 50% and finish the right approximately in this range. So you fix, for example, 550, 9K, and fix it here. So your average exit will be like 6K 60 approximately. Sol, guys, everything still relevant for Sol. Also, my take for Sol, the most positive case scenario from now is here, 169% to 558. Still not that time to buy, because the time to buy was here, and Sol already show us, like almost 3,600% gains. Now the Sol test take profit line. I don't think so. We're going to drop to the buy line now, 106. No, but slowly but surely, I guess here Ethereum basically already here. So I think the most positive case scenario for Sol, if we'll just consolidate in this range and go higher to the top. It's on the weekly, daily. Take profit line now it's 220. Exit line going higher, 248. Buy line 111. I don't think so. We're going to drop to the buy line. So this is just my take. Direction, market mood, money power for Sol, guys. What do we get now here on the daily? It's Ethereum, money outflow. So yes, the wheels step by step fix, at least on a daily. No fixation based on direction indicator. Weekly time frame. The difference between the Sol and Ethereum. This is a no Ethereum now. It's good. It's good. So I guess the Sol will perform again. Especially with the meme coins last hype, I guess, in the next few months. No signals to sell like it was fixation like December 24. No bearish divergences, nothing. Time to buy Sol was here in that correction in March 2025. Now we at the top, but without any money outflow. So it's good. It's good. For Sol, everything good. And most positive, it's just, this range. 188, 234. In this range would be good to trade at September. And after that, October, November going higher. XRP, guys, the same story. Here, from the low, when we will go to the new all-time high, I think, yes, XRP will go again to new all-time high. It's for $1.82. It will be like 1,500% gains from the bottom, right? Is it from that bottom? Is it to make sense to invest in XRP now? It's 59% potential gains. Take a look how the price respect the level. We go to new all-time high, sell signal. It was in a Joule drop, and hold the line 78 low by FIB, $2.79. All FIBs, guys, all levels are relevant. So the most negative case, guys, if we will drop and sweep this low and this low, for example, 257, 238. Do you believe in that targets? Honestly, not. Honestly, not. But I don't like we leave that weekly gap. This is what I don't like. Yes, we get a buyers, we get a volume, everything okay. We didn't retest the exit line above. For example, the Sol already tested. Here, Sol test. XRP still not. And buy line for XRP, it's 94 cents. In the future, I guess we will drop to the buy line and close the monthly gap. It will be the bottom for XRP next cycle, next bear market, I guess. But I believe in last impulse up, right, to form the new all-time high here. It looks like this one, but no, I guess it will be higher. It will be higher, not just a sweep. So for XRP, guys, the negative case, it's a drop to at least, I don't know, 257, 255, 238. This is a bearish case. I don't think so. We're going to drop much lower. No. Lines are dynamic. So in the next few weeks, I don't know, here, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the 4 weeks, the exit line can be September 15 at full fill of a weekly gap and $2.33. So maybe possible, but it's hard to predict the timing, guys, and no makes sense to try and predict the timing. So that's it. And take a look with direction, market, moon, money, power. Also, guys, it's not a time to hop into XRP. Everything should be in time. Ethereum. Now Ethereum, guys, on the market is bigger than even 17. Imagine. So do you think it's a time to buy XRP? Up to you, of course, but I don't think so. Based on risk ratio, you have to think about it. What is good? No signal to sell yet, like it was in January 2025. We at the top, but I think we will go higher with a blow off top. No signal to money outflow on the weekly. It's good. So still good. So this is not main fixation on XRP. Let's double check, by the way, the Sol liquidations on Binance monthly. 130. I don't think so. 155. 155. It's around test again 0.5 low by fee. Possible. But even above also with the liquidations. So it's hard to say, guys, the direction, but I guess the best case if we just consolidate to 230 or 189, that range. XRP USDT liquidations on the monthly time frame. The main one, it's a new all-time high, right? $3.38. Liquidation leverage 337 billions. What the heck? Oh, it's in a big get. And how is it even possible that much liquidation? So here, 77 billion liquidation leverage on Binance, 338 and higher. So yes, interesting. For XRP, most people 38 here, around here, the main liquidations about here. We will see. We'll see. The case is if BTC will go down the correction and it will be the bearish month for the BTC, and the BTC dominance will go down, alts can move higher. Cardano, guys, from all of these tokens, it's still underrated. So yes, I believe Cardano will hit $4.55. It's from now it's 388. So if we compare all of this top 5, top 10 tokens, the Cardano, I guess, has biggest potential gains. Still not like 50x or 10x or even so, but it's still over than 3x, I guess. I believe in new all-time high for Cardano. So just even just by simple marketing, nothing special with Cardano. Imagine XRP is here, Sol around here, Ethereum around here, BTC, I don't know, BTC around here. So think about it, the potential gains for that tokens. Weekly time frame, what do we got? We try and break the exit line. We already retested, take profit above, so no makes sense to drop it lower. We already sweep the actual lows here, tested several times this one. It was a monthly gap, so several times, not a monthly gap, it was a daily, guys. Yes. So monthly basically already close, so no makes sense to drop that low. Buy line now on the monthly, it's 33 cents 91. I don't think so we're gonna drop to that low. The weekly time frame 41 cents 55. It's a buy line. I don't think so we're gonna drop that low. Daily time frame. So the most negative scenario, guys, it's a drop to 74 cents 72. This is like, and take profit line as 96, exit line $1.08, and go higher. So I don't think so we're gonna drop to the buy line or so. The most negative, once again, guys, just tiny consolidation in some, I don't know, triangle by middle of September and go higher. With some weeks, with some bad news around, they will bring us some FUD. I guess we will see some FUD. Direction market mood money power, guys, on a daily, no signal to sell, good one. A3 on the daily is good, no signal to sell on the money power, but no money inflow yet. A weekly time frame, so this is not an A3 so compare with the BTC, compare with the XRP, with Ethereum. So this is not an A3, not even close. No money outflow, no signal to sell. Time to sell will be like this one in January, March 2021. Now nothing. So from between all of these 5 tokens, I guess I'm not a Cardano maxi. I'm not a Cardano fan at all, absolutely. But I guess the Cardano got the biggest potential gains from current prices. Cardano USDT on the Binance 1 month liquidations. Around $1, yes, it's like a trigger, right? Definitely. So guys, write please in a comment what is your realistic thoughts about all of these tokens, and what is your bet for BTC all-time high. I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel. If you want to trade with my customer Chris, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.